Gemini. This is a Gemini bonus reading for the month of June. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Gemini? Kamusta ang puso? Kamusta ang pag-ibig? Alright? Let's see kung anong meron para sa mga Gemini. And I hope yung June reading natin ay nakatulong sa inyo. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay? At para sa mga nagmamanifest ng bagong pag-ibig, tamang tao para sa inyo, I recommend you to have the rose quartz. Okay? Ito yung rose quartz natin to manifest love, harmonious relationship. Kung nagkakaroon ng mga challenges sa love connection right now, and to manifest abundance, good work relationship, I recommend you the citrine, and to protect your energy and lahat ng may na-manifest nyo, the black tourmaline is for you. Sakto. May ipinaglalaban ng mga Gemini right now. Decided kayo na ayusin ang inyong financial stability. Tulad ng nabanggit ko, citrine would be best for that manifestation. Pag-ibig. You're dealing with a new love right now na meron kang mga hinahanap na wisdom kung ito ba talaga yung pag-ibig na minanifest mo at pinag-pray mo. Okay? Yan kasi yung when we're trying to manifest, sabihin lang natin, Lord, bigyan mo po ako ng bagong pag-ibig. Okay? So, paano natin malalaman kung ito na ba talaga yung padala ni God o kung saan galing yan? Okay? So, when manifesting, sabihin mo, na parang, Lord, ito yung pinagpe-pray ko na, para sa'yo. And if ever na parang, make the manifestation and your prayers more specific para pagdating, alam mo kung ito ba talaga yung pinagdasal mo or not. Okay? So right now, you're trying to build on both finances and love. You're offering your cup of love to your person. Okay? And this is the building card. You're trying to build on your finances, naghihintay ka na lang ng mga commission, yung harvest time mo, at ganun din, kung itong pinag-i-investan mo na pag-ibig, naghihintay ka ng magandang outcome. Okay? You want a stable relationship, but somehow nagkakaroon ng broken heart, misunderstanding, mga painful situation, but hanggang kaya nyo namang ayusin itong relationship na to, inaayos nyo naman. Right now, sabi mo, medyo napapagod ka na. Sabi mo, come what may, you have that full energy and you're releasing all your cares to God. Sabi mo, Lord, sige na, bahala ka na. Basta hanggang kaya mong i-move forward tong business and love situation na to, ilalaban mo. Okay? You're trying to be very patient with your person, avoiding conflict hanggat kaya kasi gusto mong ayusin, na maging stable kayong dalawa. Marami ka ng painful situation na pinagdaanan in the past, but meron ka mga lesson na parang hindi mo pa fully nadadigest. Okay? Kaya medyo nahihirapan ka sa connection right now kasi may mga past lessons pa. May backlogs ka, okay? May mga past lessons na hindi mo pa na-apply right now sa current relationship. Alright? Let's see kung anong meron para sa mga Gemini. Okay? This is pag-ibig at career reading for you. Okay. Let's see it. Gemini bonus reading for the month of June. The reason for the reading is nagkaroon ng new beginning, new way of thinking, clean slate, marami kang bagay na inumpisahan, and decision mo to. Okay? You're investing here, business or love connection, kung ano man yung naging bagong cycle sa buhay mo na binigay mo. Kumbaga, all-in ka na naman, Gemini. Nag-bet ka na naman ng all-in. High roller tayo dyan. Alright. So, meron ka ngayong prayers and manifestations. Recent past, lahat naman ng kaya mong ibigay, Pero dumating ka sa point na sabi mo is kailangan mong maghinay-hinay. Kasi nagkaroon ka na ng situation in the past wherein talagang lahat bigay, And nagulat ka na lang parang naubos na yung bets mo. But right now, you're being more, kumbaga calculated risk. Kung ano yung effort ng person mo, pinapantayan mo na lang, which is the best thing to do for now. Okay? Marami kang prayers na sana is mahanap mo na yung makita mo na talaga na, like, security there. The security para sa'yo na eto na talaga yung long-term partnership na pinag-pray mo. Okay? Hinihingi ka ng sign kay God. Right now, you might be dealing with a Libra. This is the Gemini card. Capricorn. Could be dealing with an air sign. Maraming nangyaring unfair situation sa connection na to, but happiness mo yung person na to. Kaya lang, there's a certain type of addiction that is happening here. Maybe too much, anything too much. Too much loving, too much giving. Pwede rin may mga bisyo, hindi magandang ugali or patterns in the past na nakasira sa mga past connections na dapat nang iwanan to make this connection work out. Okay? You have to fill your cup first. Meron kang, like, insecurities and you feel so uncertain with this new connection, not just because of this present connection, but because may mga unhealed wounds ka pa rin from past relationships. Okay? So, meron ka rin mga unhealthy coping patterns na, kumbaga, ginamit mo dun sa survival chapter of your life para hindi ka sobrang masaktan kung ano man yung nangyari dun sa past. But right now, piliin mong mabuti kung healthy pa yan na dalhin sa present connection or kailangan mo nang iwanan. Especially yung pagiging hyper-vigilant mo sa connection na to. Tama yung calculated risk, pero parang lahat na lang ng bagay is pinagdudahan mo. Just find the balance there, okay? Yung person mo, naging honest naman sa'yo. Marami siyang sinabi sa'yo about kung anong gusto niya para sa relationship. And I feel the masculine here is parang may mental game, okay? May mental circus here. Nagiging honest naman yung female here. Even offering the cup of love. But, nahihirapan ba? Meron bang ibinigay na promises? Ang masculine here, na right now, nahihirapan siyang panindigan yung stability na to na ipinangako niya sa feminine. It was like nung time na nagliligawan is, bibigay ko sa'yo to, bibigay ko sa'yo ang Mars, ang bituin, ang Jupiter, okay? Tapos nung naging kayo na, it feels like kahit damong ligaw, parang hindi niya magawa yung effort. Or nakukulangan yung feminine kasi hindi yun yung naipangako. Alright? Parang nagkaroon ng overpromise here. Merong fear and doubt ang mga Gemini na kung ano yung mga naging painful situation in the past, hindi mo na uulitin, okay? Merong mga certain situations na parang nag-a-alarm yung utak mo, nangyari to in the past, okay? Calculated risk. Balance your emotions. Yun yung pinakamahirap no? Kapag babalansihin mo yung emotion mo. Kasi most of the time natatalo tayo nung yung trauma, yung wounds from the past. Okay? And I feel Gemini, andito pa rin, no? You'll try to get in touch with your intuition. So, hanggat kayang i-balance kasi nahihirapan ka lang naman to make the right judgment because nagiging sobrang emotional ka. Nagkakaroon ng overthinking here. And I feel you will move forward. Ayusin mo din yung mga financial stability mo, no? Para mas may i-offer ka dito sa person mo. And also, the masculine is working on his like personal growth. May mga conversation na kailangang mangyari here and be honest sa isa't isa. Okay? Honest communication. Kasi parang pareho kayong may parang past baggages na kailangang iwanan at to really take a look at dun sa mga naging wounds from the past kung paano mo siya na healthily magamit right now sa connection na to. Alright? And that is the Gemini reading for the bonus reading for the month of June. See you again in a few days for your July reading. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Bye-bye, Gemini.